Let's talk about why effective planning is your secret weapon against anxiety and how you can crush it. Planning your day can make a world of difference. It's not just about organizing tasks, it's about creating a sense of control and direction in your life. First things first, let's understand the root of the problem. Ever heard of that Mark Twain quote? "I've had a lot of worries in my life, most of which never happened." This quote perfectly encapsulates the nature of anxiety. It's the fear of what might happen, not what is happening. It's all about anticipatory fear. We worry about future events that may never come to pass, and this can paralyze us. Now, here's the game plan. By breaking down your tasks and planning effectively, you can reduce that overwhelming feeling. Don't try to conquer the world in one day. It's important to be realistic about what you can achieve. Split your tasks into manageable chunks. This makes them less daunting and more achievable. Think of it like eating a pizza. You wouldn't try to eat the whole thing in one bite, right? You don't swallow it whole, right? You take it slice by slice, enjoying each piece. Simple and effective. This approach can be applied to your daily tasks as well. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are more urgent and important than others. Prioritizing helps you focus on what truly matters. Think of your tasks like a VIP list at a club. The most important ones get immediate attention. This way, you ensure that critical tasks are handled first. Breaks are essential for maintaining productivity and mental health. So, plan your downtime. Your brain needs a breather, just like you need to recharge your phone. Regular breaks can prevent burnout and keep you energized. Don't let it run on 1% battery all day. Schedule short breaks to recharge your mental batteries. Life is unpredictable. No matter how well you plan, things can change. Be ready to adapt and adjust your plan. Flexibility is key to effective planning. Think of it like a GPS rerouting you when there's traffic. It's not a failure, just a necessary adjustment. It's not the end of the world, just a slight detour. So let's recap. Effective planning involves several key steps. Break it down, prioritize, schedule breaks, and stay flexible. These steps can help you manage your tasks and reduce anxiety. Remember, a good plan isn't about strict rules. It's about giving yourself a roadmap to navigate the chaos. You've got this. With a clear plan, you can face each day with confidence. Planning doesn't have to be a burden. It's your tool to reclaim control and kick anxiety sideways. By planning effectively, you can create a more balanced and fulfilling life. And always keep Twain's words in mind. Most of our worries never come to pass, so focus on what you can control. All right? Start small and stay consistent. See you next time.